Yup. Yup. Yup.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been through.
Yeah, I've been playing to get my oil change. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, hey. So, when I get my oil change, and my stomach is hurting, cramping, and my silly self didn't pack my ibuprofen in my bag, so we gotta walk over to the gas station to get some, because they didn't have any in the car dealer, allegedly.
Like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide.
Do you have ibuprofen?
Sorry?
Pain pills.
Which one?
Ibuprofen.
Come on this side, man.
Leave.
One.
Tylenol don't be working for me. Dang, only one coming in. Yeah, grip off. One Aleve was $2. One. And today I think it's the hottest day where I live at. It's gonna be 94 degrees. It's so hot. And like usual, I have all black on. But again, I ain't planning on walking over here, so we're walking through the lot looking at the newer Infinities. They are so freaking nice. But with these gas prices, they got me thinking about getting a smaller car that takes regular gas, because my gas is premium and it's so freaking expensive. And let me show y'all some of these cars out here.
I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man.
Look clean. There's another one, it's only 29. That's a 2016 though.
If I fuck up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man.
40, it got 12,000 miles, and it's a 21. It's nice. Shorty right there is a 10. This you gonna be jealous if I pull up in there? I like this little slope, but
I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. Be up on the other side.
You know what time it is. It's a grocery haul. Let me show y'all real quick. I'm not gonna go through every single thing, but just a couple new things that you probably haven't seen me purchase, but it's not new to me. I just don't show it. So I'm trying to be a little healthier and cut out white sugars, white rice, white potatoes. So I have honey, liquid honey, and honey powder. My mother put me onto this from the H Mart. So yeah, I'll be using that in my teas when I drink in the morning. And I just brought some brown rice, caramel corn, rice cakes for my snack, seaweed, some vegetables, as you see, Brussels sprout, fruit. This is something new. This is for my man. He's going to try this, chicken and roasted garlic. My favorite, sparkling waters. Again, I'm trying to cut out soda. Canned peaches. Got this free from Giant through the Giant app. Haven't tried this before, but hey, it's free. Why not try it? Croissant, turkey sausage, my yogurts, dairy-free, almond milk, dairy-free cheese. Love that. Orange juice with mango, plain orange juice. This is his bacon. He really liked this kind of bacon. It's easy. Put it in the microwave in the morning. Chicken strips, salmon, scallops, and turkey burgers. Coffee for him. And this is for him too. I might try one anyway. But these are vegan. He didn't get it because it was vegan. He got it because it was an egg patty that you could just heat up. Make it easy for in the morning time, but I'm definitely going to try this. Bread. We're going to make some strawberry cupcakes with strawberry cake mix, creamy buttercream icing, little cups, some eggs, and then we brought two of these, 6. That's pretty much it. Just real quick market run for the week.
I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive for me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. To believe
healthier or watch my sugar intake. So my mother put me on to this powdered honey that we get from the H Mart, the international market. So I'll use powdered honey or raw sugar if I want any of my drinks to be sweetened. So I'm trying to stay away from any white sugars. To make it easier for myself, I like to transfer them into jars so I can just scoop it out when I'm ready to use it.
Come on, y'all.
And last year, we only used pink Himalayan salt. So I'm not the healthiest person, but I try to make little changes. Pink Himalayan salt. I think I got this from Marshall's, and it was only $2.50 for this size. These are the small changes that I'm making to my, I guess you want to say, I don't like the word diet. These are the small changes I'm making with my food intake. Small steps to eating healthier. Take baby steps. I'm not rushing into if I'm going to become a vegan or if I want to stop with any sugars completely. I have to do what's best for me. So little steps at a time, trying to make my food healthier, and this is all I have right now.